So, hi everyone. Google is just back to back releasing a number of crazy stuff, and the latest release is now a reasoning model that takes a direct competition with Quen QWQ and OpenAI O1 preview. So, I think looking at the LM Arena results, Gemini 2.0 Flash Thinking Experimental, as you can see, takes the number one spots as it makes its debut. And it has been a crazy time. And I think Chat GPT, OpenAI is now facing some stiff competition from Google. As you can see, in the top five or top six, everything is from coming from Google and OpenAI. So let's see how you can use Gemini 2.0 Flash Thinking model. This is the new reasoning model that Google has released and which can be accessed for free. So let's get started. So as you must be knowing, any model that Google releases comes straight away to Google AI Studio, which is free to use, and you can access any model for free of cost released by Google, especially the Gemini variants. So you just need to go to Google AI Studio. As you can see, you would be seeing a chat prompt here, and you need to log in with your Gmail ID. So that's the case. If you're already logged in, you should see something like this. And on the model side, as you can see, there are multiple models present, and the latest, the sensation, Flash Thinking Experimental. So now it is going with reasoning head on with OpenAI Oven model, and as the early results have came in, this is the best model so far in reasoning case. So just get excited, and I think OpenAI is now under some tremendous pressure. So let's test out the model. Let me give it a simple mathematical equation, and let's see how it performs. What is 2 plus 2 minus 9 into 5 equals to? As you can see, it is taking its time to think, and even the chain of thought is visible as mentioned. So that's the best part. So let me see how the model has performed, how the model has went through the thought process. This is looking crazingly good because the result is accurate as I can see, and the thought process is very clear. You can see some bold statements here, and it is able to make out this particular answer, that the answer is minus 41. Pretty good, pretty good. I'm not testing it out on complex problems. I'm just trying to show you how the model can be used. And here you can see a token count is coming. So this, you can use it for this much generation. If you not, you can create new Gmail IDs as well. So I don't think so that's a restriction. Let me ask some other questions. How should one eliminate terrorism? Now, this is a generic question that I'm asking it. And let's see how it performs on this as well. It is taking its own time. As you can see, by the time you can see how it is going through the thought process. This is the thought process it is going through, and it is giving some answers for it. As you can read about, it is also addressing the root causes why it happens, countering an immediate threat, addressing long-term consequences. So it is not giving you a very simple answer. Just try to understand. I asked it how to remove, and it is giving me the root causes, short-term results, long-term consequences, important consideration, everything. The model is quite good. I haven't tested it on any complex problem for now, but as I am hearing about the results or Reddit community, the model is super powerful. So I hope you try out the model. It is free to use on Google AI Studio as other models, and you can use other models as well, like experimental 1206, which is leading the LM arena for now, and all the Gemini latest models are available for free to use there. I hope you try out the Gemini 2.0 Flash Thinking experimental model. Looks crazingly good. Yeah.